Hello people, welcome to a new video. This one is going to be few quick announcements. First of all, I have decided to move away from Void Linux mainly for two reasons. Number one, that is that the package maintainers have been lagging behind in terms of package updates. For example, I have some Python scripts which are using Selenium and WebDriver, and as long as the maintainers they are slow in adopting upstream changes, my scripts break. This already happened 3 times last year, and it's sort of annoying. Now, I'm not complaining in a sense that I pay anybody. I don't pay anybody at all. I'm not paying or even donating anything to Void Linux team, so I don't have a right to complain. I fully understand that, but then I can't really have my workflows affected just because some packages are not updated or maintained. One more thing to clarify, I'm not comparing this to Gentoo Linux or Arch Linux, which are like bleeding edge distributions. I'm comparing this to Ubuntu, which is the grizzly bear of Linux world. So if there's a point package or updated package available in Ubuntu repositories, I don't really understand why it would not be available in a distribution which describes itself a rolling release, or rather a stable rolling release. Again, no complaints, it's just my decision to move on. This is the first reason. And secondly, I sort of started to believe that there's nothing I can contribute to the project. For example, I don't believe in recycling stuff, such as I did a video how to install Void Linux 3 years ago. The process is same, and I don't see a reason to repeat the same video every year in 21, in 22, and in 2023. Doesn't make sense to me, right? People can look up and get along. It's the same process it was 3 years ago. So that's like my take on Void Linux. It has been wonderful, great journey. And again, I'm getting busy quite a lot in my work, so I don't really have time to focus on do-it-yourself distributions. And then from there, my next stop would have been Solos Desktop, but I found that the founder of the project has left Solos Desktop. He's working on something called Serpent OS. He's building it from scratch, and I've seen his work in Solos Desktop, quite a decent, in fact, a great job. So I'm sure he's going to do something great here as well. And this is a new project. They need support most probably. So I think I'll be trying to work on this operating system, trying to make it like fly. And by the way, it's not ready for production use. They have released basic ISO, or I should say a testing build, which can be used in virtual environments using QEMU, KVM, or virtual PC in Windows. So I'll probably giving it a try. Other than this, like Linux experimentation, I am also learning data visualization in Power BI, using Power BI, and I also want to, in fact, I know some bit of it, some tidbits, so I'm still trying to polish my skills in RPA, and I believe it's going to be a good journey. For now, I'm on Windows 11 until I manage to have some time to experiment with Serpent OS. And so these are like my upcoming projects. And thanks for being with me. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. And I look forward to contribute something useful for Serpent OS. Until next video, thanks for being with me, and see you then again. Bye.